A lot of people are asking whether new developers are giving up on software engineering. This question is coming up because something has clearly changed in how easy it is to enter the industry compared to a few years ago. In this video, I'll break down what's actually happening using data on student enrollment, job market trends, and what might be causing this shift. First, let's look at how many people are actually studying computer science. According to the Computing Research Association Talby survey, undergraduate computer science enrollment in the US more than doubled between 2014 and 2024. So long-term, there has been a strong increase in people choosing software engineering-related degrees. However, more recent reports suggest that some universities are seeing flat or slightly declining enrollment after years of rapid expansion. So the situation is long-term, strong growth in CS students, recent years, slower growth or stabilization in some regions. This means the number of people entering the pipeline is still high, but it is no longer growing at the same pace. Now let's look at why fewer students seem confident about entering the computer science industry. And the reason is pretty obvious. The entry-level job market has changed a lot over the last few years. According to the LinkedIn Workforce Report, entry-level tech job postings have decreased compared to the post-pandemic hiring peak. At the same time, competition per role has increased significantly, with some postings receiving dozens or even hundreds of applications in a short period of time. So what this creates is a very specific situation for new students. Fewer entry-level openings, higher competition for each role, longer time required to get the first job. And when people starting out see this pattern, it naturally affects how attractive the field feels compared to a few years ago. So why is this happening? There are two main factors that explain most of this shift. First is the correction after the COVID hiring period. During 2020 to 2021, tech companies aggressively expanded hiring. That created unusually high demand for developers, including juniors. After that period, many companies scaled hiring back down, leading to what is often described as a correction in the market. Second is the impact of AI tools and automation. Tools like ChatGPT have reduced the amount of time needed for basic coding tasks. It is well known that AI-assisted coding is now widely used across development workflows. This doesn't remove developer jobs, but it does change what junior developers are expected to do. Entry-level roles now focus more on understanding existing systems, debugging complex code bases, and problem solving, rather than writing simple code. So the entry point into the industry has shifted upward in difficulty. Now, I want to hear from you. If you are a junior developer, or even if you're still trying to get in, what has your experience been like? Do you feel like it has become harder compared to what you expected when you started learning? And if you're already working in the field, are you seeing fewer juniors entering teams? Or is it just a perception from online discussions? I'm genuinely curious about how this looks from different perspectives. Drop it in the comments. I actually read them.